red tape and honey. I kicked the door looking for a sign. Sticky hands running out of time. Been chasing answers I can't outrun. Every prayer stuck waiting in a line. Fluorescent lights hum overhead. Same old room, same words they said. I said I need it now. They said slow down, sit back down. I lit the fuse with a bottle of belief. Mixed faith and fire just to get some relief. Every wish I force just gums the gears. Honey in the system, grinding years. Red tape and honey on my hands. I want it now, but the universe says when. I keep pulling on a door that won't bend. Red tape and honey, yeah, the fire is real, but timing's king in the end. Met an old man behind a busted screen. Said, kid, this place ain't what you think it means. Everyone echoes further than you see. Butterfly heartbeat turns into debris. You want love shipped overnight. Premium pain, priority flight. Every ripple writes another fate. Nothing moves fast when it's built to last. I wanted proof, I wanted control. Didn't know patience was part of the toll. He said blessings don't miss their mark. They just don't land in the dark. Red tape and honey on my hands. I want it now, but the universe says when. I keep pulling on a door that won't bend. Red tape and honey, yeah, the fire's real, but timing's king in the end. I saw you walking past me, eyes like storms I used to chase. No words fit in the silence, just time tightening the space. You ran to save yourself from breaking. I stayed to burn and understand. Turns out love don't need permission, just courage and a steady hand. Apologies don't travel light. They clear the road, they change the night. No manifestation, no disguise. Just say it straight and face the prize. Red tape and honey on my hands. I wanted proof, but learned to stand. Not every gift comes on demand. Red tape and honey, yeah, the fire's real, but truth moves things, not plans. I'm washing honey from my skin, letting the clock do what it does best. If it's meant to light us a